you know.
His name's Sergi.
It's happening today. Big
This
deal.
is the day. Sergi, how excited are you from 0 to 100?
I am actually nervous, and I don't get nervous like this
Yeah.
often. So, but I like it. It's a good feeling. Like I haven't had my car in about a month. So yeah. So it's getting a complete facelift.
So what is happening is we're actually at CARDIP, and they have an amazing new space.
Yeah.
Look, they've even got like all of this is all being worked on, and so you're gonna have custom design area. You've got upholstery, so you can come in and like actually see what stitching you want, like exactly what color you want on the interior of your car. I love this space. This is so epic.
Yeah. And this is just the top floor because they have the entire bottom floor as well.
Yeah. And we've got the best team ever.
Yeah.
So let us just introduce you. I know you guys will know some of these guys because they've worked on my cars before as well.
Yeah.
So we've got Mo from Australia, fellow Aussie, Dimitri, and Saeed. And Akil is here somewhere.
He's downstairs.
Oh, okay, preparing the car. My team members, obviously, Inka and JP, Supercar Blondie team.
LARTE has the craziest body kit that we could find for my X6. So they brought out their pieces, their body kit from Russia, gave it over to CARBONOV, Dimitri. He did the full installation, did all that, and then we had to change the color, and that is where CARDIP comes in. These guys completely changed the entire look of it.
Yeah.
So
and
we
it's
have
not just
everything.
a wrap. It's not a wrap. It's a CARDIP. So basically, it's peelable paint. It's a whole new paint job, and it protects the original color. And once you're done with it, you literally just peel it off. That's what I got with my Rolls Royce, and also with my McLaren.
Only the best. Yep. only the best of the best.
Yeah, only the best.
X6.
Only the
Treat it
best.
like baby.
Okay, so Sergi got his X6 a couple months ago as a surprise gift. If you have not seen that video yet, go check it out. The link to that video is in the description below. Go check it out. And basically, he was about to cry. Actually, I think you were going to vomit, but also there was some tears.
If it would have been from the nausea because of the heart attack that JP gave me, then I would have,
vomited and cried at the same time.
I almost passed out,
basically.
I love this feeling.
He's like, I'm actually really nervous right now.
Do you like the color?
Just come with me. Okay, I've got something to tell you he doesn't know. What Sergi doesn't know is we're about to prank him. His X6 is his baby. That's how you're gonna see how much he loves this car. He has been planning this reveal, this whole makeover of his X6 for months. We had his girlfriend come in earlier today. Her name is Inka, part of the team. Let's watch what she did to his car.
Okay, let's try this, guys. Nothing coming out. Oh. Is that okay? I think it's alright, actually. Ta-da! Perfect!
He's gonna love it.
Sergi, this is for you. I love you so much, and I know how much you love to call me Bubik, so there you go.
We're gonna reveal the car in a way that he does not see this straight away. And once he gets to that love heart, all shit is gonna hit the fan, man. A lot of people will try and be nice about it, right? Just be like, oh, thanks, babe. That's really not what I wanted, but cute, like, thanks. Sergi can't hide his feelings. Everything's gonna be written on his face, and I cannot wait for that moment. And then, after he's gotten the shock of his life, we'll reveal that you can actually wash it straight off. Let's do this. Are you ready for this?
I don't even know. I'm super
Super nervous.
It's like a intense feeling, but I love the feeling.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
So you haven't seen it either yet?
I haven't seen it either, so we're going to be surprised together. Right here is a car lift, which is freaking epic. I've never had a car revealed by lift before. This is going to be awesome. First, I want to know: are you
getting nauseous?
Are you nervous about anything in particular? Are you worried about the outcome of the color you chose? Because the color you chose is kind of crazy.
No, I'm confident in everything. The body kit is absolutely incredible. The color is sick, and the people that are making this possible are the best,
in the biz.
So there's no worries on my behalf.
No worries.
Okay, so
worries.
are you ready, Ings? Because you have to be driven around in this car every day. Are you?
Well, windows are blacked out, so
I'm gonna try it too, eh? I have to try
it'll be
it.
there hidden.
Oh, we got the go ahead. Oh my god, I can hear it.
Oh man.
Come in.
Can you see it already?
I can't see it.
More you pull.
We'll see it on their faces. I want to turn around.
This is the biggest build up ever.
I look at his face, just looking at JP's face.
I know, their faces are like this. Oh my god. Serge, I have a feeling you're gonna agree.
Wow, that is like crazy.
Dude, this is yellow. This is really
This is
yellow.
but this is exactly it.
This is
I
amazing.
want to see, oh my.
Look at the carbon fiber hood.
Oh my god.
Is this exactly
Okay,
how you
I
imagine it?
don't want to step over into this, but wow. This.
This
Wait,
deck,
the
but
color
so
combo is
this deck
absolute.
would be worth it. Like
This-
if you accidentally fell, it's totally worth it because now you've already
Oh
seen your
my
dream car. Like,
God.
like
This actually looks 100 times better in person. I haven't even
This
seen the
is
back yet.
epic.
Yeah, than it did on the photos. Or
So we're going to take it downstairs so we can go through it and look at all the details. Oh, I can't wait. This
Oh
is
yeah, I want to see the side. I want to see the
I
side.
want
We
it
still
now.
haven't seen the side, but I want to see the rest of it. Oh my god, look at the rims on the back of it. Wow.
Oh my god!
Okay,
Wow! Well done, guys. Well done. It looks great. Oh, but he hasn't seen what's happening on the back yet.
I'm gonna get a full idea of what it's like when we see it from the side. Wow, look at. Oh my god.
Wow, look at all these other cars you've got there. Crazy. Look at all these other cars they're working
I
on.
know.
Whoa, Serge! You're gonna have to.
Look at the rims. That looks
Wow,
so
the rims
good.
are amazing.
Look at this man. It's so funny. It's insane. Oh my god. Yeah, you have the LARTE rims. So LARTE gave us 23-inch rims. Yeah. And the tires are so fat. Inco wrote, you spray painted on this or what?
What is this?
It says bug. That's what she calls me sometimes.
Love it.
That's not permanent, right? That better be erasable.
No, it is permanent. It's permanent.
Yeah, I think if we wipe
Yeah.
it, it's gonna remove the yellow as well.
Yeah.
What is it? What does it say?
Bubik. Bubik.
Booby.
Yeah, it's like,
what does
it's
that
like
mean?
Slovakian
Absolutely
baby.
nothing. I don't know. It's
Slovakian baby.
Yeah, something like
it
that.
doesn't
No, I didn't
have
want that. That's getting removed immediately.
Yeah, but Saeed's just said you can't remove it.
You can't remove it, baby.
It's
Okay,
permanent.
I
We'll
made
see,
sure
we'll see.
it's permanent.
It look, yeah, okay.
It's
Touch
on
it.
the, it's on the
Hey, touch it.
screen.
Good, no?
It's handwritten by me.
Oh yeah,
That's like a
it is.
designer.
It is in there.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my
That's
god.
like a design.
You're joking. Is it really?
Dude, that's kind of cool.
I'm not
though.
joking.
Oh,
I thought you
look,
would
if it's in there,
like
if it's in there, then but you should have put this on the passenger seat where you're sitting.
But you are
Oh,
the
actually no.
booby.
You can sit here now.
I think it's
Alright.
cute.
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
it's like a cute like.
It's a, I just want to know.
Yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah, I think. I was like, you know, it's possible. It's possible, but I don't know.
Sorry, let's remove it. Come on.
Yeah, bring the.
Getting a heart attack.
So she's like trying to be nice.
I'm like,
She's trying
you
to
know,
be nice about it.
I'm like, yeah.
Oh my god.
But I was like, if she actually made it permanent, then I can't make her look bad on camera.
I knew it. I was like, he's trying to be nice, and it's just not. It's not working.
Ah, okay, yes, make it happen.
Make it.
You were panicking.
I was like,
You would have secretly. You would have.
I sneeze when I panic. Wow, this looks incredible.
This is cool. These
So yeah, so as you can see, LARTE,
Oh, that's cool.
LARTE design. Basically, it's an entire carbon fiber set. They asked me whether I wanted matte carbon fiber or glossy. I chose glossy. But my favorite part of the entire car is definitely the back because of the vertical exhausts.
Yeah.
And then here you have this little Formula One style brake light.
Oh, that's
So when I
pretty.
slam on the brakes, these little guys will turn on
Oh,
as well.
cool. We'll have to do
And
that.
I think this looks 10 billion times sicker
than what you imagine?
Than without the kit.
Oh.
Yeah, and yeah, of course.
No,
absolutely.
honestly, the X6 has literally gone up about 1,000 notches with this body kit.
Absolutely.
This is
Yeah.
so good.
Yeah. From this angle, it's
And I love that you can tell that it's a paint, it's not a wrap. Because like, for example, look at this.
so crazy.
Look at this. Look how seamless it is. It goes all the way in the door panel, and it's just like, it just looks like a paint job.
Yeah.
Like it makes such a difference not having a wrap.
It's absolutely incredible. Wow. So, so it's all the pieces like this carbon fiber, the side skirts are carbon fiber.
Yeah. This bit too. That's cool.
So how long did this take to install?
Not too much, around less than 1 week.
Okay,
1
less than
week.
Yeah.
Yeah, the guys help us with from the company.
Yeah.
They ship, they fly here and.
Oh, so a guy from LARTE actually came out to
Yes.
Dubai to help with the.
They flew from Russia.
Yes.
That is crazy.
Someone
Well, yeah.
flew from Russia to help install this
Well,
kit.
that's why they did a solid job, to be honest.
Wow.
LARTE has body kits for Mercedes, for Maseratis. They have them for so many different cars.
Cool.
BMWs, obviously, as you can see.
Oh
I could not design.
It's a whole new exhaust system. So
Yeah.
Well, yeah. So does it change? It changes the sound yet? You think? Oh my God, let's do it. All right. Yeah. That's definitely much lower. Yeah, you can hear that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. That is sick. Oh my God.
That is awesome. Massive upgrade.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a completely different thing now. It's like this adds like so much, like before it just had this little piece.
Before
but this
it
makes
was
it more.
4.3 seconds 0 to 100. Now it's like 2 seconds.
Yeah, nice. I love the brake calipers. It's literally perfect.
Massive thank you to so many people
Yeah,
involved.
absolutely. So
go ahead, Sergi.
Yeah.
You're the one driving this baby out.
So thank you first to Dimitri Carbonov. Then we had CARDIP, of course, Moen Said. And then huge thank you as well to, of course, LARTE. Huge thank you to LARTE. They brought us this insane body kit, which makes this car look like an entirely different thing. I mean, this compared to what we saw when we first unveiled it, back in the surprise.
Completely
It's like,
night and day.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. You are the best. Honestly, you're the best in the business, guys. If you ever want to get anything done to your car, I mean, just look at the kind of cars they have here.
Yeah.
These are the best of the best cars in the UAE, and they all come to CARDIP because these guys are the best. I trust them with every car that I buy. They've got every car under the sun here to do like the perfect makeovers on them, interior and exterior, everything. They come to you with ideas. You can come to them with ideas. You guys can chat about it. Go into the upholstery room upstairs. Get everything sorted. I mean, it is such a great experience and they're such nice people. So I think that's it for now, and a massive congrats to you for your amazing new car.
I can't even believe it. It still looks like...
it's kind of blinding, honestly. It's really blinding.
I love it. So,
hi, I'm Sergi. Don't look at me. Look at me. Don't look at me. Look at me.
I got the windows up. Tinted. I'm good.
All right, guys, I think we're out. I hope you enjoyed the vid. Like the vid, subscribe to the Super Car Blondie channel, and we'll see you guys in the next vid somewhere else in the world. Love you, bye.
All right, later. What do you guys think? Matching, huh?
Matching jumper.
Is it the same color?
Look at this carbon fiber.